Blessed people, hope your day is going great so far. You're there with Just Facts, and topics we want to talk about for today is Shenseea buy a 2019 X6. Also, Romeich buy mother brand new house. And also want to talk about people squash. If squash were to perform at Sumfest, what it would be like. I'm just leave a little clip in where me think him sure that be like. You see me I say? Vibes, hype. Just like the artist here when name Prezi Fresh people. Them man here, as the name suggests, Prezi. Man a president, the man ever fresh and clean. So I want to tell me what you think about that song here before I get into the topics. Quick and fast.
Hey girl, me want you broke out with your good body. Body turn up, wind up, your body skin clean, body thick, them can't say you're crying. Pack it up and a man make the money. Hey girl, me want you broke out with your good body.
So Shenseea made an upgrade and get herself a brand new X6. You don't know upgrade the thing. So Shenseea wrote this on her Insta today. Got myself an upgrade. Hashtag V8. Shenseea said, which color should I put it in? Y'all know I'm extra blessed 2019. So it look like Shenseea plan for customize the vehicle and add in for her crazy colors. Cause you know Shenseea like them bright green there and them bright orange color there. So even our previous car, our previous BMW, it was a bright orange color. Don't know Shenseea kind of style that, and she did crash the vehicle there. So I guess that's why she decided to just upgrade the thing. Yeah, why not? This is a video clip.
And we here. The rep.
That's the darkness.
Just got my new vehicle.
This is as for BMW.
It's sick. Thank you. Upgrade. Upgrade.
Yes.
Which one is this? It's
2019
Oh.
X650i 4.4 liter V8.
Change out the rims and thing, man. Bless, 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 bless. Raj, you going to hop in?
Get up there, Raj. Come. This is up here. Alright. Give them a press of the horn, Raj.
So as you can see people, Raj get the first feeling around the driver's seat. You see me, that is how Shenseea shows that she love her little youth. If you're not happy for Shenseea for that movie we should make, you put a thumbs up there so people. If you disagree with that movie where Shenseea make and feel she should have do otherwise, just comment down below. Tell me your thoughts. Talking about the Romeich entertainment camp. Right now Romeich buy mother a brand new house. We have to talk about that. So it look like Romeich entertainment is going on very great. Money are making at the camp. I wonder if that's why them turned down the Reggae Sumfest deal. Yeah, cause it's like them alright already. Them no need that. So it seems. But anyway, without further ado, here's a clipping.
Say something, Mom.
Hi, this is my lovely. Oh, gracious. I am so blessed. Thank God for my children, especially Romeich. Don't feel no way done.
Lord God.
Yeah man, so I'm happy for sister Romeich could have do this for him mother, cause I don't know a whole heap of way out there would have loved to do. Great. And even greater than this, but you don't know people, this is a big deal. Same way, we can't look past this. Enough of we wish we could have do this, enough people can buy a house for themselves. Much less I buy one for them mom. So need to work harder. That what they are do to you. See me people? Big up yourself, Romeich, and the whole Romeich entertainment crew. You see me? That goes for TJ, Shenseea, Ding Dang, the whole of the crew. You see me? Cause a whole heap of people there. Yeah, it shows so you know what you do and you achieve from what you do. You see me? So you must do something right despite all of the talking and chat from people. I say, you see me? I say, people? Yeah, man. And we did say we're going to share something with Squash. So if Squash did for perform a Reggae Sumfest, at least we can get a little vibe off of that little rehearsal where Squash do and see how he would deal with it, you see me? Because Squash know him thing in the people. You see it? Yeah man, take in a little video clip in and you don't know Just Facts. I am out.